Hello guys, welcome back to Cycle Fab. I'm Larry. In today's video, I'll be installing another kit from HRG. This kit is for the trailing arms. Now, it's a 1-inch spacer kit, and what it's designed to do is relocate the center wheel line further back in the wheel well and just give it a better overall appearance. So, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, go ahead and hit the notification bell so you know when my next videos are coming out, and let's get on with this video and get these things installed. This gap right here is the gap that I was talking about. After I put the larger tires on it, this gap measures 3/4 of an inch on this side. Now on the other side, it's 7/8 of an inch. It's an 1/8 inch bigger. Why, I don't know. But I'm going to try to increase this gap here and get this wheel line set just a little bit further back just to make it look better. It's safe for it to be like that, but it just does not look appealing to the eye. I'm going to see if this actually works well enough to my satisfaction and show you guys actually what it does. So you don't have to just go out and buy it. You can see a before and after shot. These are the two bolts that I'll be removing. One here, one here. These are 17mm. I'll just drop those down, put the spacers in there, and put the longer screws in. Where we're sitting at right now is I have the 1-inch gap right there, and I'm just going to take these spacers and slide these little guys right in there, just like that. And it's 2 per side. Now I want to go ahead and put my bolts in, go to the other side, do it, and then I will show you guys the gap that's right here is going to be increased. Okay, this kit does not come with instructions. They don't say anything about using Loctite on these. However, I am going to do that. And I'm just going to put like a drop on each one. I mean, the original factory bolts had some kind of Loctite-like substance on them. It wasn't very aggressive. So I'm just going to reinstall these with a drop of Loctite on it and torque it to manufacturer's suggested spec. All right, this is it finished. Now it's all torqued down. I'm going to put the wheel back on here, go around the other side, do it, and then take the vehicle out for a little spin, come back, and we're going to measure this gap right here. The wheel gap to see if it's changed any, how much it changed, so on and so forth. So let's go do that. All right, I got the kit on, and it's great. It really made a difference in the visual. Now, it only moved at 3/8 of an inch, which you think that's not very much, but it made a big difference on the appearance. It really did. So I like it. It's an easy kit to install. It's not that expensive, 80 bucks with tax. Shipping is free, or at least it was for me. They did not give me anything. This company, HRG, does not know me. The kit's not free or anything like that. They don't even know I'm making this video about it. I just stumbled onto it. Seems like a lot of people are using this company for these type vehicles, the CRVs. So I decided to pursue that. Here are some pictures of when I first got the vehicle, after I put the tires on it, then the lift kit, now everything combined with this trailing arm extension kit. Anyway, check it out. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you guys, and thank you so very much. I'm up to 4,000 subscribers now, actually a little bit past that now. And it's all thanks to all of you out there in YouTube land. Thanks for tuning in with me every weekend, and my sharks videos are doing rather well. Thank you guys for watching those. There will be more coming, and y'all take care, and I'll see you next weekend. Here are the before and after shots.